Do you know studies show some nuts build stronger muscles even better than meat itself? Yes, this is true. A study in the British Journal of Nutrition found nut protein, especially pistachios and almonds, stimulates muscle growth in seniors, as effective as animal protein, easier to digest naturally. At first, this seems strange, especially if you grew up thinking meat is the main source of strength and daily energy. We all heard as children meat strengthens bones and muscles. The more meat we ate, the stronger we became. But modern science now shows nuts. This simple, small food may hold the secret to strength after age 60 or more, even better for overall health. Why is this so important? Because aging slowly reduces muscle. This condition is called sarcopenia. Studies show 8 to 13% of people over 60 yearly suffer noticeable muscle weakness. This weakness affects daily life, loss of balance and mobility, hard to climb stairs, higher risk of falling, even immunity becomes weaker. Many think the solution is meat, but after a certain age, animal protein can burden the body. Red meats are high in saturated fat, raise cholesterol, and stress the heart. Digestion becomes harder as well, causing heaviness or stomach problems. Animal protein lacks fiber and antioxidants. Nuts provide something very different, not just protein in a small meal, but full of benefits for seniors. High-quality plant protein supports muscles. Healthy fats like omega-3 fight inflammation, protect heart and brain. Vitamins and minerals, magnesium, potassium, zinc, are needed more after age 60. Dietary fiber helps digestion and absorption. An amazing fact, a small handful, around 30 grams only, provides protein, healthy fats, natural energy, and muscle support. Another study in sports nutrition showed daily almonds after workouts reduce muscle fatigue and increase recovery. Nuts help muscles repair quickly, keeping them strong and resilient. So the idea is simple. The solution is not always heavy foods. Sometimes the answer is small, crunchy seeds we call snacks, yet they defend strength naturally. Today I share 3 nuts proven to support muscle building, keep seniors active, youthful, energized, not rare nuts, easy to find. We just need correct usage. You don't need lifestyle changes, no strict diets, no hard exercises. Just add a small handful daily along with healthy habits discussed. Are you ready to discover 3 nuts that may change your understanding of proper nutrition? Stay with me till the end. The third one may surprise. It could change your choices for the rest of your life. First important nut is almonds, a magical food for muscles. Contains high quality plant protein. Every 28 grams, 6 grams, almost equal to a boiled egg. Easy digestion for seniors, gentle on the stomach always. Backed by global trusted studies, a California University study in 2022 showed almonds reduce muscle fatigue, increase recovery speed after exercise, strengthen fibers deeply, and maintain energy. Rich in magnesium, essential for muscles. Every 28 grams contains 76 midanarn, supports a normal muscle contraction, prevents annoying night cramps, promotes restful and calm sleep, enhances calcium balance in bones. Rich in natural vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects muscles, reduces cell damage during effort. A Texas University study in 2020 showed almond vitamin E reduces oxidative stress, protects muscles from premature aging, and reduces joint inflammation in seniors. Rare element missing in meats. Meat lacks antioxidants entirely. Almonds combine protein and protection, making it a daily superfood. Also contains healthy fibers naturally, improves digestion, and regulates bowel movement, prevents frequent constipation in seniors, helps protein absorption effectively. Fiber plus protein, a golden combo, keeps blood sugar stable, prevents sudden fatigue after meals, supports long-lasting energy. Daily usage is very easy. Eat 20 to 25 almonds, about a small handful, provides protein, fiber, healthy fats. Always choose raw almonds best. No added salt, no sugar, no roasted oils to preserve nutrients. Can eat in the morning with yogurt or oatmeal, or blend with natural milk, add to green salads. Delicious, healthy, and enjoyable at the same time. Almonds support the heart directly. Monounsaturated fats reduce bad cholesterol. A Circulation Journal study in 2018 showed 50 grams daily lowers LDL by 12% in 6 weeks, reduces clot risks after 60, keeps circulation strong and efficient, blood reaches muscles better, enhancing natural muscle building. Almonds also rich in potassium, 200 mg per 28 grams, keeps blood pressure moderate, prevents sudden spikes, maintains stability, supports heartbeats, pumps blood to muscles, improves physical performance and mobility. Seniors eating almonds daily gain more flexibility, better movement, longer walking endurance, proven by European Journal of Nutrition 2019. Almonds contain arginine amino acid, expands blood vessels naturally, stimulates nitric oxide release, increases blood flow to muscles, boosts muscle fullness during daily activity, makes simple exercise more effective, even light walking or stairs becomes effective training naturally. Regular consumption improves immunity. Plant protein plus vitamin E with zinc in almonds enhances infection resistance naturally, reduces frequent colds, speeds healing. Almonds support the brain too. Healthy omega-9 fats inside, maintain clear memory, protect the brain, lower Alzheimer risk in seniors. Journal of Nutrition, Health and Aging 2017 linked almond intake to 15% improved cognition over age 60. So one food alone offers nutritious plant protein, healthy fats, natural fibers, essential minerals, strong antioxidants, easy daily use, available and affordable compared to meats. A common mistake is sugar-coated or roasted in unhealthy oils. This removes health benefits completely. Sugar increases weight and extra fats. Roasted oils create dangerous trans fats. Always choose raw, natural almonds. Ideal portion is a small handful, about 25 almonds daily. Split into morning and evening, better than one large portion. Distribution keeps amino acids steady, exactly what muscles need for continuous building and growth. A recent 2022 study shows seniors eating almonds for 12 weeks increased muscle mass by 3% compared to the non-almond group. Scientific proof almonds are medicine, natural therapy for muscles. Almonds are the first friend of muscles after 60. Calm energy, strong heart, boost immunity, protect bones and brain, give a more active, joyful life. Now, after knowing almond power, we move to the second important nut, completes benefits, adds missing elements. This shift shows a smart nut combo, a natural program for muscle building after 60 for seniors. After learning almond benefits, we move to pistachios now, friend to muscles and vitality, contains excellent plant-based protein. 28 grams of pistachios provide 6 grams of high-quality protein, rich in essential amino acids, especially BCAAs like leucine, which stimulate muscle building and prevent breakdown. A Boston University study in 2020 showed 30 grams daily increased muscle response, 18% better than normal food. Pistachios are rich in healthy fats. Unsaturated fats protect the heart, keep blood pressure stable, reduce stroke risk naturally. An American Heart Association study in 2019 showed a daily handful lowers LDL by 10% and maintains HDL cholesterol properly. Pistachios contain the amino acid arginine, boosts nitric oxide production naturally, expands blood vessels efficiently, increases blood flow to muscles, improves nutrition and recovery after activity. Even light walking becomes effective. Rich in potassium, 200 mmol per 28 grams serving, regulates blood pressure naturally, balances body fluids efficiently, prevents cramps and supports muscle contraction, important for weak seniors. Dietary fiber, 3 grams per serving, improves digestion, prevents chronic constipation, enhances protein and vitamin absorption, stabilizes blood sugar, reduces fatigue. Pistachio vitamins include B6, supports brain function and focus, boosts cellular energy production, strengthens immunity and red blood cells, keeps seniors active and healthy. A Journal of Nutrition study in 2018 showed 12-week daily intake improved energy, 15% increase in daily activity, better stair climbing and long walks compared to the non-pistachio group. Rich in antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin, protects eyes, preserves vision, reduces inflammation, supports joints, helps muscle recovery under daily stress. Daily usage is simple. Take a small handful, 25-30 nuts, split morning and evening. Better than eating once, keeps amino acids and protein steady. Add to yogurt or oatmeal, mix with salads or snacks, enhances energy, promotes fullness, reduces sugar cravings and unhealthy foods. Always choose raw pistachios. Avoid roasted oils or sugar coating. Excess sugar and fats reduce benefits. Increase calories, strain the stomach in seniors. A Nutrients Journal study in 2020 showed regular intake improves amino acids by 20%. Supports muscle growth, prevents breakdown, clear evidence pistachios protect muscles, also aids weight management naturally, low calorie, relatively high protein and fiber, promotes fullness, reduces overeating, protects heart and joints from harmful fat. Brain benefits are impressive too. Healthy fats and vitamins improve focus, memory and attention remain sharp, reduces mental fatigue, boosts alertness, important for seniors' cognitive health. Regular intake supports heart health, efficient blood pumping delivers nutrients and oxygen, reaches muscles quickly, increases activity. In summary, pistachios provide high quality protein, natural fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, strong antioxidants that protect muscles, supports bones, immunity, brain, and heart. A common mistake is salted, oily, roasted, or sugar-coated pistachios, which reduces benefits, increases blood pressure, and adds sugar, weight gain, and harmful fats. Ideal portion, 25 to 30 nuts, split morning and evening, maintains energy, strengthens muscles. Seniors following this plan notice better daily activity, climb stairs, walk longer, lift light objects easily. Pistachios are the second muscle ally. After almonds, complement benefits, add unique elements for muscles and energy, boost immunity, brain, and heart. Now, after pistachios, we move to the third nut, completes the natural muscle building program. This last nut holds a secret and may surprise you after 60. We talked about almonds, then moved to pistachios. Today we reach the third nut. It is nutrient-rich walnuts, known as the king of nuts. High in omega-3 fats, contains high-quality protein, supports effective muscle building, fights muscle loss naturally, especially after age 60. Walnuts are an excellent energy source, provide the body with healthy fats, boost nervous system function, help strengthen memory clearly. A California University study proved daily walnut intake improves memory by 11% overall, reduces aging-related disease risks, very beneficial for seniors. For muscles, walnuts are a treasure. 15 grams of protein per 100 grams provides essential amino acids needed for building muscle tissue, compared to red meats, easily digested and healthy, free from saturated fats naturally. Walnuts are rich in natural magnesium, stimulates muscle contraction efficiently, reduces cramps after exercise, supports muscle relaxation well, improves sleep quality nightly. Good sleep is essential for growth. Nutrients support muscle development naturally, improve sleep by 30%, proven in Nutrients Journal. Walnuts are also a good fiber source, improve digestion and protein absorption, enhance feeling of fullness long term, helps control weight effectively, important after 60 naturally. Obesity slows muscle growth, increases risk of chronic diseases. Omega-3 in walnuts reduces painful joint inflammation, supports daily body movement, makes exercise easier naturally, enhances muscle strength continuously. A U.S. study in 2019 showed eating walnuts 5 times weekly reduced heart disease risk by 23%, protects the heart, delivers blood efficiently, feeds muscles better naturally. Daily usage is simple and easy. Take a small handful daily, about 30 grams daily, add to breakfast meals with yogurt or oatmeal, eat as a healthy snack or grind over salads or add to protein shakes. Boost nutritional value effectively. For best absorption, soak overnight, then consume the next morning. Soaking reduces anti-nutrients naturally, increases mineral absorption efficiently. Zinc, magnesium, and iron included, enhances faster muscle building.
A Journal of Nutrition study showed 40 grams daily improves blood vessels, raises natural testosterone hormone, essential for muscle building, prevents age-related muscle loss. Walnuts contain strong antioxidants, polyphenols, and vitamin E. Reduce oxidative stress in muscles. Accelerate post-exercise recovery naturally. Keeps muscles strong consistently. Seniors consuming walnuts regularly show higher mobility and strength, 20% better performance, according to a Harvard long-term study. Walnuts are not just food. They are preventive medicine. Build muscles like meat. Sometimes even surpass meat. Easy absorption. Low harmful fats. Daily walnut use combined with habits means ideal muscle health, active memory, balanced mind, strong heart, deep sleep, better overall health after 60. Dear seniors, today we reviewed the power of 3 effective nuts, proven by studies after 60: almonds, pistachios, and walnuts. Each nut provides a unique mix: plant protein, fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, essential to maintain muscle strength and body health. Almonds provide high-quality protein, magnesium and vitamin E protect muscles, enhance recovery after daily activity. Pistachios give essential amino acids, especially leucine, which stimulates muscle building, with healthy fats and fiber that stabilize sugar. Walnuts are rich in omega-3, reduce inflammation, protect heart and brain, support muscles long-term effectively, also improve focus and mental activity, boost mood and enhance cognitive function. Studies from trusted global journals show nuts are not just plant protein, they act as a natural complete program to maintain health and strength after 60. Daily intake improves overall activity, speeds recovery from light movement, enhances general strength naturally, without heavy or complex meals. The secret is the correct quantity. Proper daily consumption is simple. A small handful per day is recommended. Add to yogurt, oatmeal, or salad or snack between meals. Always raw with no added salt or sugar. Avoid roasting in oils. This simple daily habit makes a real difference over time. Maintains muscles, strength, energy, and activity. Remember, muscle loss after 60 is not an inevitable fate. It can be managed effectively with smart nutrition, regular activity, and healthy daily habits. These 3 nuts discussed today offer a natural, safe way to strengthen muscles, improve daily performance, and reduce risks, support balance, and prevent weakness. I invite you to try adding these nuts daily. Notice the difference in the coming weeks. Combine with light movement or exercise, walking, or simple resistance training. Finally, nuts are not just a snack, they are a daily partner for an active, strong life after 60. Strength, energy, and good memory remain longer if you maintain these habits. Stay consistent, give yourself energy, keep muscles strong naturally. These 3 nuts can be the secret to youth and activity after 60. Thank you for watching today. Stay with us for upcoming videos for more practical healthy tips to maintain your energy daily and enjoy a stronger, better, active life naturally.